Welcome to the visual demonstration for setting up shipping methods in AspxCommerce. When you run an online store, you are likely to have visitors and orders from across the country. That's why you need to be able to dispatch orders to customer desired destinations. To help you with the same, AspxCommerce comes with a feature to add various country-specific shipping methods such as DHL, FedEx, and many more. To get started with setting up a shipping method, you first need to add a shipping provider. For that, navigate to Shipping and Taxes in AspxCommerce dashboard and click on Shipping Providers, which falls under Shipping Methods. Click Add New Shipping Provider at the top right corner of the page. Enter the shipping provider service code like FedEx. Put in the means of transportation such as air freight services, sea freight, road transport, or anything that suits your business the best. I'm putting in air freight services. Enter an alias for shipping provider. Click on Active checkbox to set the shipping provider as active. When you're done, click on Save, and the shipping provider that you have created will be listed in the shipping services while adding the shipping methods. Next up, let's quickly define a custom shipping method. For that, we go back to Shipping and Taxes and click on Shipping Methods. Click Add New Shipping Method button. This opens up the fields for general settings of the shipping method. Firstly, specify the name of the shipping method you wish to add, which is going to be FedEx. Browse an image of the shipping method, which will be displayed in the checkout page in the front end. Put in any alternate text for a shipping method. Define the display order of the shipping method. Put in the order delivery time, which is going to be 7 to 10 days. You can custom define the delivery time. Next up, specify the weight limit of the products to be applied for shipping. I am applying the shipping method to orders placed from 0 to 1,000 pounds weight of the product. Select the shipping services from the drop down. I'm selecting the one that we just created, which is air freight services. Click on the active checkbox to display shipping method at the checkout section as I've mentioned before. Finally, click Save, and the shipping method will be listed in the shipping methods page. Now that we have added a shipping method, we need to define shipping charges for the same. Let's quickly click on the Actions tab of the shipping method that we've just created and click on Edit. This opens up the shipping method page. You need to click on the second tab, that is Shipping Charges Settings. There are numerous methods to add shipping prices in AspxCommerce. It can be defined based on an item, weight of the item, and its cost. Let's firstly add a cost dependency, which needs to be defined if you want the shipping charge to depend on the product cost. To add a cost dependency, click Add Cost Dependencies button. You are prompted with the pop-up with the cost dependency fields. Define the cost value of the product. Rate value is the shipping cost to be applied. Now, the shipping cost will be applied for those which product costs more than $200. You can select the rate type in absolute or in percentage from the drop down. If you want to create another criteria, then you can click on plus icon here, or if you want to duplicate the previous criteria, then you can do that by this clone icon, and to delete the criteria, simply click on the cross icon. To save this cost dependency, click on Create button. Likewise, now let's add another shipping charge based on the weight of an item. Click Add Weight Dependencies. In More Than option, enter a value of the weight. I'm going to put it as 10 pounds. And the rate value to be applied will be $40. This shipping charge will be applied to all products weighing more than 10 pounds. Select the rate type and click on each per pounds checkbox only if the rate value is to be applied on individual item weight and not on total weight of all the items. Click Create to save the weight dependency criteria that you've just created. And finally, we're going to create another criteria based on item dependency. Enter the number of quantity of items and the rate value. This value will be applied if the quantity of items is more than 6. Define the rate type and let's click on Create. Click the Save button to apply all the shipping charges. If any of these criteria are met, then the shipping charges will be applicable. Now, shipping charges can also be deleted by selecting the shipping method name checkbox. If you want to delete them all, then simply click on Delete All Selected, or if you want to delete them individually, then click on Actions tab and click Delete. This completes the video tutorial for setting up shipping methods in AspxCommerce. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you.